Hi, I'm Clay with Sharp Car Company. Today we're going to diagnose a engine misfire. It's pretty simple to do. Three things that you could have possibly wrong are: one, a coil pack; two, a spark plug; or a faulty fuel injector. Generally it's either a spark plug or a coil pack. I would say probably about 90% of the time. We're working on a 2008 Mercury Milan, but this is a very general procedure for any kind of automobile, so it does not really matter what you're working on. We're gonna first pop the hood, pretty simple stuff. We'll leave this car running. We are gonna open up the hood, and I'm gonna show you where the coils are. Okay, so the coils are always located on top of the cylinder head. Cylinder head looks like this. This is a 4-cylinder model. These are the coils. There's 4 of them. One you can't see back here, but 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not sure if you have a bad coil or if you have a bad spark plug, so you're going to first pull the spark plugs. We'll look at them. If they look bad, you need to replace them. If you don't know if they're bad, ask the parts store guy. He'll tell you. Replace them only with OEM equipment. Do not replace them with some garbage like Bosch Platinum Plus 4s. Whatever came with it from the factory, put it in there, even if they're $6 a plug. This will save you a lot of headache and your car will run excellent. But let's say that doesn't fix the problem and you think you got a faulty coil. You don't want to spend the $75 on the coil, so you want to know which coil it is, and maybe don't have a computer to tell you, and the computer could be wrong as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to unplug one at a time a coil. And if the engine idle changes, that coil is good. If the engine idle stays the same, that coil is bad. Then you can take them and swap them. This is okay. They don't have to be in any specific order. The plugs have to be plugged in specifically to where they go. But the coils themselves, they're all the same. They don't know where they're at, what cylinder they're in. That should fix your problem with misfire, but if it doesn't, here's another little trick that I like to use. Mechanics have special tools for this, but I use my head. So I take my finger and I'll put it actually on the fuel injector. And through the tip of your finger, you should be able to feel it pulsating. And you'll feel it like a little heartbeat of a baby. It's really, really very cool feeling. And if you go through and put your finger on each one of them and you feel that through each one of them, you don't have a bad injector. But if you don't feel it, you will. Fuel injector is essentially a little motor that moves in and out, so that's why you're able to feel that. My name's Clay with Sharp Car Company in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you ever need anything, email me. Thanks.